Next one, Stomach-A double knife hand block. This is going to be the first one where instead of making an X with your arms, both hands are going to go back. Both hands come forward, double knife hand block. So if I'm facing this way, both hands coming all the way back, both hands coming forward. Going back your own count in a back stance, so one track. Coming forward, pseudo reverse knife hand. So this is your reach, grab, step, strike. Right now we've got same side hand and foot. So both of them are right, my right hand and my right foot. Going forward, still same side. When you turn, you're going to end up opposite because of the direction that the target is and also turning towards your back leg. And just continue going. Turn key out one more time. So again, opposite now, gonna go forward, Sung Soo double forearm block. This is another one where both hands go back and both hands come forward. Double forearm block. Turn double forearm block, key up. And going your own count. That is all of the upper body basics. From here, we move on to lower body basics.